it's me again. Yeah, anyway. This here is my friend Diacro 24-inch finger brake that I picked up rather cheap. I didn't buy a brand new one because it was out of my price range. Like 5,100 US is just like ridiculous for something you could buy used. So anyway, I have a video of me building the stand for it. There's a video somewhere of me putting bolts on the bottom and cutting them off and all the stuff. My last step, well, not my last step, there's probably 60 more steps, but I need to drill holes and put bolts in this bench because it, 300 pound, even though it's on a bench that is measured the exact same size as the one Diacro sells and probably made 2,000 times more beefier than Diacro with the El Cheapo piece of wood and not, sheet metal or whatever, 1/4 inch metal or the hell it's made out of. And probably not as made as, perfect as the one from Diacro, which I'm assuming it's this. The one in Diacro isn't wobbly and doesn't need fancy bolts on the bottom. But I need to drill 4 holes on each side, or at least 2, one on each end, and bolt it to it. I put this thing right here. You can see it over here, maybe. This thing right here. I measured it so it's about 1/8 of an inch to the edge. It goes down. That's as far as it goes. Doesn't hit the bench, and there's still space in there. And it keeps it just enough. It's flat, kind of like directly center. We were going to put it outward, but it was putting a little bit of like too much weight on one side, where if you would have pulled it, it probably would have just fell right over. Because this thing, I think on Diacro's dimensions, it's like 38 by 15 inches wide, and I don't know, 350 pounds on this center of gravity, not bolted to the floor. I don't know. Maybe I should put a little stand, like maybe put a little outcropping on here later on, just so in case I think it's going to flip over, or if it even does remotely wobble. So yeah, I'm gonna set up and put and drill 4 holes, and I don't know, I'll high speed dub the goddamn thing or something, because you gotta like edit out every part of thing you're doing a video. So keep watching, you'll see some more. Hello YouTube. Hear the crickets? There's crickets in here. Anyway, if I put this down, there's a bolt needs to go in here, and it's that way, and there's a bolt needs to go in there. I need to drill a hole roughly straight. My head's in the way here. Straight through here, and the only way to do that is boom, like that. I think I have an extension for a drill. I don't even know if I have a bolt long enough, but I will drill 4 holes, and maybe I'll just do one shot, one little video clip with the drill, and then spare you the rest, because we all know what like looking at drills look like. So hold your horses.